the hardest thing to balance when you're building a protocol is you're trying to balance the relationship between developers, users, and capital. A successful ecosystem will have those three groups working together. Developers will build great applications, users will bring capital to those applications, and because there's capital and there's applications, more developers will come, and that's how you start this beautiful flywheel.
I was just going to say it is a flywheel, and you're basically trying to reinvest the value back into the ecosystem for growth, but you're doing it in an automated way, I guess. Optimism is the one that I think who mainly has done the retroactive goods, which I always think is great, and it is a good gesture to the community, but I always thought the same thing. Jay and I have talked about on the podcast a bunch of times of it's great, but it's probably not the best way to incentivize the community. You probably want to tell them ahead of time and actually tell them what to do, and then you can probably get a lot more, it becomes more efficient, I think, in the way that you're incentivizing people. And then we noticed Mode is one of the ones that has done this very, very well.